Responding to a WYD text from a guy can be challenging, but it's important to keep in mind the timing of the message. If the text comes late at night, he may be looking to hook up. If you're interested, suggest a low-key hangout. If not, keep it neutral or playful rather than flirty. Sharing what you're actually doing, like hanging out with friends or a pet, can lead to a more meaningful conversation and show your interest. Feel free to ignore the message or be upfront about your intentions if you're worried about the connotations of his question. And if he's asking WYD because he's being lazy or non-committal in showing he likes you, you can play along without opening up about your own feelings too much upfront. Saying something like, "Really? Is that all you've got?" Or, "Oh, come on, you can do better than that." If you're not sure of the motives behind a guy's "what are you doing" message, feel free to answer honestly, redirect the conversation, or pose the question back to him to find out why he's asking.